Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of plain or flavored yogurt, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit, like berries or a banana. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled for the best texture and taste. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid tightly and blend on a medium to high setting until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you notice any unblended pieces, stop the blender, scrape down the sides with a spatula, and continue blending for a few more seconds. This ensures a perfectly consistent milkshake. The beauty of a yogurt milkshake is how easily you can customize it. Feel free to experiment with different fruits. Mango, pineapple, or peaches work wonderfully. For an extra boost, consider adding a scoop of protein powder or a tablespoon of chia seeds. If you prefer a thicker, colder shake, toss in a handful of ice cubes before blending. The possibilities are endless for your perfect blend. Once your milkshake reaches the desired consistency, it's time to serve. Pour your refreshing creation into a tall glass. For a nice touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh fruit slices, a sprig of mint, or a light sprinkle of granola. Enjoy your homemade yogurt milkshake immediately for the freshest taste. It's a quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying treat any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.